let's bake some fish. I'm doing whiting today, but that's just because it's a frozen fish I had in my freezer. But thawed out, whitefish, cod would both work. Lightly oil your fish using avocado oil here. You could use peanut, you could use olive, it really doesn't matter. Make sure to oil your bottom though. Now, lightly season with salt, cayenne pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. There you go. Now once again, don't forget to show your bottom some love. Rinse and repeat, season them up. Put them aside, chop up some parsley, and you're gonna top your fillets with the parsley. Take a baking sheet, baking dish, whatever, grease it up, and put a little bit of oil and spread it around with the paper towel because I don't have any of that spray stuff. Put your fillets in, now bake for 400 for 10 minutes into a preheated oven. Pull out, on time, as always. Now, plate it up, serve with vegetables, a slice of lemon, and a, nice white wine. Enjoy.